you're experiencing FPS drops on your Steam Deck, there are several steps you can take to optimize performance. Follow these steps to enhance your gaming experience. Step 1. Check for updates. Make sure your Steam Deck is running the latest software version. Go to Settings, then System, and select Check for updates. Install any available updates to ensure optimal performance. Step 2. Adjust graphics settings. Lower the graphics settings in your games. Access the in-game settings menu and reduce options such as resolution, texture quality, and shadow details. This can help improve frame rates. Step 3. Enable performance mode. Switch your Steam Deck to performance mode. Go to Settings, then Battery, and select Performance. This mode prioritizes performance over battery life, which can help reduce FPS drops during gameplay. Step 4. Close background applications. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background. Press the Steam button, navigate to the library, and exit any apps that are not needed while gaming to free up system resources. Step 5. Monitor temperature. Keep an eye on the device's temperature. If it gets too hot, performance may suffer. Ensure proper ventilation and consider using a cooling pad if necessary to maintain optimal operating temperatures. By following these steps, you can help minimize FPS drops and enjoy a smoother gaming experience on your Steam Deck. Happy gaming!